I'm going to show you a little tour of my bike build. So, here's all the parts so far. Motor, big bore kit. Should run like a beast. Has new timing chains, port and polished head. Valves are adjusted. All the little things like that. But yeah, the engine covers are in Virginia getting powder coated. So I got all my parts, swing on bearings and bushings, all the little motor mounts, foot pegs, header, linkage, hand guards. Got all the plastics, forks, exhaust, seat, airbox, brakes, axles, rotors and stuff over there, chain. So yeah, my frame's getting powder coated up in Johnstown. Should be done sometime this week. Get it all put back together. Hopefully it runs.